Since we're both here right now, chances are you're pretty serious about discipleship, family, and your faith. You're probably leading others as well, and you desire to make a lasting impact on those around you. Us too. Let's do this together.
Welcome to the Everyday Disciple Podcast, where you'll learn how to live with greater intentionality and an integrated faith that naturally fits into every area of life. In other words, discipleship as a lifestyle. This is the stuff your parents, pastors, and seminary professors probably forgot to tell you. And now, here's your host, Caesar Kalinowski.
Hey, how's it going? I'm Caesar, and it's my passion to help those with a high commitment to discipleship, family, and faith learn to naturally and confidently integrate the really good news of the gospel into every area of life. I've worked in over 30 countries, training thousands of people in discipleship and mission as a lifestyle. Each Monday, you can listen to a new episode of the Everyday Disciple Podcast, where I'll show you in about 30 minutes or so how the good news of the gospel and our Christian faith can naturally and confidently be woven into everyday life. Stuff like our family life, parenting, missional living, relationships and community, how the gospel speaks into career and work and our finances, or maybe our health and entertainment. Pretty much all of everyday life. You get the picture. My goal is to help you experience greater spiritual freedom and relational peace every day. Our show is pretty fast-paced, and even though it's serious stuff, it can be funny. At times, I'll have guests on, some you already know, and others you should know, who will join me and drop some love on you. We always wrap up with clear action steps for you to take away in the big three. We also have free goodies to download every week. Who doesn't like free stuff? Subscribe to the Everyday Disciple Podcast right now by going to everydaydisciple.com/listen, or head on over to Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you listen to podcasts.